In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Afterpay virtual card to your digital wallet. This makes it easy to use Afterpay for in-store and online purchases without extra hassle. Let's get started. First, open the Afterpay app on your smartphone and log in. Tap the Card tab at the bottom to access your virtual Afterpay card. Look for the Add to Wallet button below the card image and tap it. If you don't see it, make sure your Afterpay app is updated to the latest version. Tapping the button will open your phone's digital wallet, Apple Wallet on iPhones or Google Wallet on Android devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to add the Afterpay card to your wallet. You may need to verify your identity with Face ID, fingerprint, or a passcode. Once added, you can easily select your Afterpay card during checkout at supported retailers. It's a quick and convenient way to use Afterpay without opening the app every time. And that's how you add your Afterpay card to your wallet. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more simple guides. Thanks for watching.